probably the most significant threat we've had since the start of the pandemic.
What I did want to do, if I may, is turn to the threat posed by the Omicron variant, which is obviously incredibly relevant now. I mean, firstly, how significant of a threat does the variant pose to public health in the UK?
So it's probably the most significant threat we've had since the start of the pandemic. And I'm sure, for example, that the numbers that we see on data over the next few days will be quite staggering compared to the rate of growth that we've seen in cases for previous variants. The real potential risk here, and I would underline that because we are still learning a lot about the variant, is in relation to its severity, clinical severity, and therefore whether those cases turn into severe disease, hospitalisations and deaths. Well, it's difficult to say because it has changed very quickly, and clearly there is still a degree of bias in our early data in the sense that once we find cases, we go looking for more in order to try and contain it and understand more. We do deep enhanced backward tracing. But I think we now have so many cases across the community that is less relevant. And as I say, in most areas, it's now settling to somewhere around 1.9 days. It's difficult to predict where it will go. It's a very unusual variant.